friends, it's me today. The kids were having so much fun with Joe yesterday, and they just wanted a little extra time today. So I know our mail lady has been coming earlier and earlier, so I said, you know what, just enjoy time with the kids, and I will do shipping today. Yeah, we did, I don't know, this weekend we did probably like 43 items. It's probably like, I want to say it was around $1,300 in sales, which is pretty good. I hate that we're saying that it's pretty good because it used to be so much higher, but you know, given the current times and what's going on, I'm thankful. I'm thankful for the sales. So I've actually already printed out our sheet, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and pull these as quickly as possible, and I hope I'm not as fast as Joe, but I hope I can get it done before before the mail lady comes here. So let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, so just finished shipping, which is a lot harder when you haven't been doing it every day. They've moved some things around on the shipping station. eBay has changed a little bit of how they do their shipping, and so it was a little bit of a learning curve, but luckily, you know, I had it all figured out, and so that was really good. Yeah. I'm glad to have a minute to sit out here though, and I don't know, I just wanted to talk a little bit about what's been going on. I haven't really been in a lot of the vlogs lately, and I'm okay. I am totally okay, but I've been having to practice some pretty extensive self-care. I'm an extreme extrovert in nature, and a big part of my week involved me going to local coffee shops to work, and going to CrossFit every day, and going to church. For a little while we did a homeschool co-op too. I liked to take the kids to the park. We went to the library at least once a week. We did all of those things so that we could get some social interaction and we could really be out and about with everybody. And now I'm finding myself unable to do it, and I feel like my life has come to a screeching halt, and I'm trying to figure out how to thrive in this moment of not doing what I usually do. I think, you know, my first thought when all of this started was, oh, we're homeschoolers and we work from home. It's gonna be okay, but I really didn't put together until maybe a few weeks ago, I really didn't put together how much time I spend outside of the house, even though I work from home. and I school from home. But it's been a struggle as an extreme extrovert, and I'm not telling you this so that you can, you know, pity me or you can, you know, feel bad for me. I just want to speak to those of you who can relate to where I'm at. See, I've battled with depression and a myriad of other mental struggles, and through, you know, short-term medicine, diet, exercise, counseling, meditation and prayer, all of those things, I've learned how to live a thriving lifestyle where it doesn't overwhelm me. I've learned to set realistic expectations for myself. But this is something I've never done before. And I'm social distancing because there are people that I love that I would never want to get sick because of me being out and about. I am a doula, and I have clients that I want to take care of. So for them, I social distance. But I also want to speak to how hard it is to do that. And I don't know that a lot of people are really speaking about that. And so I just want to let you know that it's okay to feel overwhelmed, and it's okay to feel stressed out, and it's okay to struggle in this, because none of us have done this before. And we're all figuring out ways to make it work. We're all figuring out what works for us. And I just want to let you know that I'm praying for you and that I love you. And we're going to get through this together, and it's going to be good. I'm excited to see what life is going to be like once this passes. I don't know if we'll ever be the same, but I'm excited to see how we've all grown in the midst of this process.
All right, so we hope you have enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't done so already, and hit the subscribe button while you're at it.
And if you have not already, check us out at www.thefamilyflips.com. And if you're on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, what a coincidence! So are we!
Links down in the description for those.
Until next time, peace.